Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make most delicious pita bread chicken sandwich. Here I added ginger, garlic, and this is cayenne date nectar. It's date syrup with cayenne. You can find it at Sprouts. If you can't, see my tutorial on how to make date syrup, and to that add little bit of cayenne. Then I added lemon juice, water, salt, and olive oil. Mix everything up and then add chicken. Cover it well and then cover it with a plastic wrap and keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. See the size of the chicken? It's not too big, not too small. Two hours later, I'm using olive oil and cook the chicken until they are completely cooked. Now they are cooked, I will remove them from the heat, and here I'm using whole wheat pita bread. I will cut it into 2 halves. First, I'll start with chopped lettuce, then very thin slices of onion, thin slices of tomato, and then the chicken. Use chicken as much as your sandwich can hold. And finally, I will top it with some garlic sauce. See my tutorial on how to make garlic sauce. This sandwich is so tasty, it's addictive. I wish you'll try it. And thank you for watching.